Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. So if you've been to our website, bootuppd.org, you may have noticed some different projects in here that have some buttons that will change some things in the project. Like this photo booth, you can make it so that it changes the different accessories that are on this person or on yourself if you use your camera. So let's take a look at another project that has a neat idea that's kind of like this one. All right, so the project that we're going to look at is called Create Your Own Super Pan, and it's by Frizja. And you'll notice that right here is actually a frying pan. So when you press the green flag, I'm going to turn this down. It has a Nyan Cat sound, and when you click on different parts, it actually changes this to something different. So we have different mouths, we can have different eyes, we can have different pans, we can have different backdrops, but we can also press this and it will randomize it, which I love. Oh, that's a good one. I like it. Looks very disoriented, very confused. Cool. So if you got a neat idea like this that you'd like to share, make sure you comment it below so we can take a look at it and maybe we'll turn it into a video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.